Today I will show you how to create a Gmail account step by step. This video is perfect for beginners and works in the USA and worldwide. First, open your internet browser. You can use Google Chrome, Safari, or any browser you like. Now go to google.com. At the top right corner, click on the Sign In button. Next, click on Create Account, choose for myself. Now enter your first name and last name. After that, click Next. On the next screen, choose your date of birth and gender. Then tap Next again. Now you will see some suggested Gmail addresses. You can choose one or create your own custom Gmail address. After selecting your email address, click Next. Now create a strong password. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm the password and click Next. Next, Google may ask for a phone number. This step is optional, but adding a number helps secure your account. Enter your phone number if you want, then click Next. You will receive a verification code by SMS. Enter the code and continue. Now review your account information. Read Google's privacy and terms carefully. Scroll down and click I agree. Congratulations. Your Gmail account has been successfully created. Now you can use Gmail to send emails, create a YouTube channel, use Google Drive, and access many Google services. If you want to stay safe, always remember your password and turn on two-step verification from Google security settings. That's it for today. If you want to watch more new videos like this, please subscribe to the channel.